Good afternoon, dear scholars. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the University of Mindanao DOST-SEI Scholars Association, or the UM Agilas, for being very active and resilient in these trying times. The most important point that I want to impart in this message is for you to protect and take care of your health, including your mental health. University is difficult enough as it is, and reaching out has not been easy lately because of the pandemic. As a former scholar myself, I understand how challenging it is to juggle academic requirements and all the other concerns of an individual. Being a DOST scholar comes with even bigger responsibilities. So I encourage you to become the best version of yourselves while having fun at the same time. I hope you are all eating well, keeping active, and staying home for the people you love, to protect the people you love. This General Assembly is a testament to the dedication of your older brothers and sisters at the University of Mindanao in fostering a good support system for those who might be having a hard time. This support is further exemplified in your individual efforts, organizing this activity, for example, and through volunteer work, impressing upon the importance of taking care of other people even during a global pandemic. Rest assured that the DOST-11 will always be here to assist you as best as we can. We look forward to seeing all of you at the regional office when this pandemic is over. Once again, congratulations, and I hope you all have a productive and pleasant day.